What's up, Pretty Boy Gang? It's your girl, Pretty Boy Chelci Erin, and on this episode of Choose the Boost, we're taking an exclusive look at the newest Yeezy drop, the Israfil 350 V2s. This shoe dropped on August 22nd at the retail price of $220. But if you're looking to get a pair of these babies today, be prepared to drop 3 to 4 C notes. Yes, Pretty Boy Gang, the resale value of the shoe is ridiculous. Currently listed on sites like StockX and The GOAT for up to $400. Now, I believe that every shoe is a work of art, but these babies are a masterpiece. Subscribe to our channel and continue to watch this video to find out why you should choose these boosts. This Yeezy boost features a uniquely woven two-tone prime knit upper. The shoe is curated in a special knitting process that ensures that no two pair are alike. You will literally look, feel, and be one in a million while rocking these babies. Yeezy guaranteed. Exclusivity is expensive, but there are a few functional and stylistic choices that I believe make this shoe totally awesome. The unique prime knit upper is enhanced by a bold signature Yeezy side stripe. Not only does the stripe catch the eye, but it also ensures ultimate breathability. In comparison to other Yeezy drops, the Israfil introduces a new infinity lacing system. Tie your shoes no longer, simply pull on this piece right here to get the perfect snug fit. The fitting of this shoe runs true to size. For your reference, I wear a size 7 in women's Adidas and I ordered a size 6. So ladies, if you're looking to get a pair of 350 V2s, I recommend ordering a full size down. Now, if you get the right fitting of the shoe, it feels like you were walking on clouds. This Yeezy is supported by a full-length Adidas Boost midsole. This ensures quality, long-lasting comfort. The Adidas Boost midsole is also enclosed by a gummy rubber outer sole, delivering durability, traction, and preventing wear and tear. Now that you know a little bit more about the construction and the fit of the Israfil 350 V2, let's get to the 360 try. That concludes this episode of Choose the Boost featuring the Yeezy Israfil 350 V2s. If you're a sneakerhead like me and found this content entertaining and useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Shout out to the man behind the camera, co-producer Don B. Continue to support Black content creators. Stay healthy, stay smart, stay pretty. Peace out.